Good morning, children. Have a lovely day. Dears, today we are going to see multiplication. What is it? Multiplication. In last class we have seen addition and subtraction. Is it? Yeah, now we are going to see the multiplication. Do you know multiplication? For this we need to know the tables now. Yeah, we are going to use tables here. Okay. First thing, we need to take a number. For example, I am taking here two numbers. Okay, what is it? Here, 473 multiplied by 48. Okay. For this, we need to know the 8 table and 4 table. Okay. It is the ones place. It is the tens place. 2-digit multiplication. Shall we do it now? Just look. First we need to take with this. Okay. 8 into 3. It is a ones place. So we are going to start from here. Okay. Just say the 8th table. On 8s are 1. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4. Remainder 2. Okay. Next. 8 7s are. Again we need to say the E table. 1 8 is 1. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 6 remaining. Oh, sorry. Shall we do like this? No. Yeah. Because we are having remainder 2 already now here. So we need to add with this. Okay. Yeah. Shall we do now? 56. 56 plus 2. 57. 58. So here it will become 58. Here you need to do remaining 5. Okay. Next. Again 4. So what we have seen already. 1 8s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s. Sorry, 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 5. 32 plus 5 what? 37. Okay. 37. Next. Just look here. Now we have finished this. Okay. First ones place. Next tens. Next hundreds. Again we need to start with the 10th place multiplication. Shall we do this? For this we need 4 table. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 1 4s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12 now. Yeah. So 12. Shall we place here? No. Because it is an 10th place value. No. So we need to place here 0. And here only we need to place the value. So 2. Remainder 1. Next. 4 7s are 1 4s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 8 plus what is the remaining already? 1 no. 8 plus 1. Sorry. 28 plus 1. 29. Remaining 2. Okay. Again. Just look. Again 4 is here. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 1, 8. Now we need to do the addition. Shall we do now? 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, remainder, 1. Listen, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 7, remainder, 1. Next, 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Remainder, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So, the product of this number is 22,704. Okay, like this you need to do the sum. Okay, it is in multiplication. Here some of the examples are there that you need to try by yourself. Okay, if you have any doubts, just ask me in chat or by calling. Okay, now shall we do the division? Yeah. Just look this number, 5,732. Okay, divided by 9. Shall we do? First, 5,732 divided by 9. For this we need 9 table. Okay, before and all we will start from the ones place only now. Yeah, multiplication, addition, subtraction and all we will start from the ones place, and we will do the process and we will finish at the highest place. But in division it is totally reverse. Okay, we need to start from the highest value and end with the lowest value. Okay, shall we do now? This is called divided. What is it? Divided. It is the divisor. What is it? Divisor. Okay, 9 is the divisor. The 5,732 is the divided. Divided. Okay. Next, we are going to find the quotient and remainder. Shall we see the sum now? Yeah, in 9 table, how many 5 is there? There is no 5, no, because 9 is the highest value, 5 is the lowest value. So, we need to place the 0. Next, in 9 table, how many? We need to take the next 2 digit, okay, wow? In next 2 digit means 57. In 57, how many 9 is that? Shall we say the 9 table? 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 34, 36. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63. So what is it? 54, no, yeah. So 6 table we can use here. 6 9s are 54. You know, because if we use 7 means it will goes beyond. So no need. So we can use 54. Now we need to subtract it. What we need to do? Subtraction. Just 7 less 4. 4. In it, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3. What is it? 3 remainder. Next we are going to get down this. Okay. What is it? 3. In 33, how many 9 is there? 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36. So it's going beyond. So 3 nines are, what is it? 3 nines are 27. What will be the value now remaining? So it is more value, so we can borrow one, carry over here 1. So it will become 2, it will become 13, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total is 6. What is it? 6. So remaining, now we are going to get down this one. Okay. 2. So 62. In 62, how many 9 is there? 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63. But we are having now 62 only now. So what we need to do? Again we need to take 6. So here what will be there? 54. So it will become 5. It will become 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 is the remainder. What is it? 8 is the remainder. Next, 636 is the quotient. Just listen what they are saying given. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. What is the dividend here? 5732. We need to place here. What is the divisor? 9 is the divisor. What is it? 9 is the divisor. What is the quotient, ma? Quotient means above value. This is the quotient. What is it? Is a quotient. நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணி ரிமைனிங் வருதுல்ல, அதுதான் வந்து இங்க quotient. Okay, it is 636. What is the remainder here? மீதி. It is the 8 is the remainder. Dear, if you need to check by yourself means if your division is correct or wrong, first you need to find the dividend. இந்த dividend நமக்கு வேணும் அப்படின்னாக்க first we need to divisor into quotient. Okay, divisor, what is the divisor here? 9. Quotient 636. Okay, plus remainder. Shall we do this? இப்போ அதை திரும்ப பண்ணி பார்ப்போமா? So divisor, quotient, what is here? 636 into 9. Shall we do? 9 6 54, remainder 5. 3 9s are 27 plus 5, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 2 remaining 5. Sorry, 3. So 6 3s are 54. 6 9s are 54. 54, 58. What is the remainder we are having? 8. So it will become 4 plus 12, remaining 1, 3, 8, 5. Okay, sorry, it is the 3 9s are 27. Okay, just listen here. 9 6 are 54, 4 remaining 5. Next 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5, 32, 2 remaining 3. 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 3, 57. So after that we need to add this remainder. Remainder, what is it here? 8. So if we add this 5 7 3 2, we got the dividend, no? So like this you can check it. Okay, I'll give few sums as a try by yourself. Okay, thank you.